Hello, my lovely nurses. I hope you are fine and your family is good. Today, I will tell you how to convert the temperature. Mean how we will convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and how we will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. The temperature conversion that is very important. The questions are coming in the exam. So how we will convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now we will go to the next step. I will explain you how we will convert. First of all, I will tell you how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So how we will convert the Fahrenheit, mean the temperature, whatever is there in the question, minus 32 multiply 5 by 9. This is the formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So Fahrenheit temperature minus 32 multiply 5 by 9. This is the formula. Now for example, patient temperature is 98.2 Fahrenheit degree. 98.2 Fahrenheit degree temperature minus 32 multiply 5 by 9. Now what we will do, 98.2 we will minus 32 and whatever reading will come we will multiply with the 5. Now what is our next step? The 98.2 Fahrenheit degree minus 32. If you will minus 32, your answer will come here 66.2. Then multiply 5 by 9. Now what we will do, the 66.2 multiply by 5. When you multiply 66.2 multiply 5, your answer will come here 331. Then multiply divided by 9. Now 331 divided by 9, your answer will come here 36.7 centigrade degree, the Celsius. So what we will do to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, I will revise. Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply 5 by 9. This is the complete formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now Fahrenheit, for example, patient temperature is 98.2 minus 32 multiply 5 divided by 9. So what we did first, 98.2 minus 32 is this is the reading came. Then multiply by 5 by 9. Now 60.2 multiply by 5. The reading will come 331. And then divided by 9. What the exact answer came? 36.7 degree centigrade. This is the formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now we will convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, there is a formula but in different way. So what's the formula? The Celsius mean the temperature will come here in the Celsius, the reading, and then multiply by 9 by 5. In the previous, the Fahrenheit to Celsius, we did 5 by 9. But here Celsius multiply by 9 by 5 plus 32. Here plus 32 equal Fahrenheit degree. So what's the difference? Note the 5 by 9 here, 9 by 5 plus 32. In the Fahrenheit to Celsius we did minus 32. Now for example, the patient temperature is 38.6 centigrade degree. Multiply by 9 by 5 plus 32. Now what we will do? First we will do 38.6 multiply by 9. Now 38.6 multiply 9. When we will do 38.6 multiply 9, the reading will come 347.4 divided by 5 plus 32. Now we will divide first. 347.4 divided by 5. The reading will come 69.48 plus 32. Now we will 69.48 plus 32. The answer will come here 101.5 Fahrenheit degree. This is the answer. I will revise for you to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. first Celsius degree, the reading will come, multiply 9 by 5 plus 32 and the answer will come here in Fahrenheit. So for example, the patient temperature is 38.6 centigrade degree, multiply 9 by 5 plus 32. So once you will multiply 38.6 multiply 9, this reading will come, then divided by 5 plus 32. So next step is we will divide 347.4 divided by 5. The answer will come 69.48. Then plus 32. The last step we will plus this one. The answer will come here 101.5 Fahrenheit degree. I hope you understand the conversion, the Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to push the icon bell button so you can receive my coming lectures videos notification. Thank you very much. Take care yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.